Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Bookmap to Poloniex. If you want to do this, we go right here to settings, manage plugins, and then we scroll down right here where we will find Poloniex. Then after that we click on install, and now the platform Poloniex adapter is installed. So we do OK, the cross, and then we go to connections, configure, and then we do add connection, and we search right here for Poloniex. I don't know if I pronounce it well, but it doesn't matter. You know exactly what I mean. So we click here on Poloniex, then we do right here OK. And now if I go to connections and we enable right here Poloniex, you see right here in the bottom a yellow PX, and now it's white. So if you go with your mouse right here to the PX, you see that Poloniex is connected. So this is exactly how you can connect Poloniex to Bookmap. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.